Leads. That's all you need, right? More leads. Today we're going to talk about how leads is not the answer you think it is. Let's talk about how you discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done today. The challenge isn't finding potential customers. That's actually the easy part. The hard part is reaching out to them. How do you reach targets in a way that's meaningful to them? What we do is we talk about how 2020 is changing the way sales will be done forever. Imagine I gave you 979 people just like your favorite customer. What would you do with them? How would you reach out to over 900 perfect prospects? How would they get to know you? Last year, organizations would have said cold calls, blind walk-ins, follow-up emails. What we're going to talk about is architecting a path to uncovering leads, capturing more sales. This is what it looks like if you break down what a lead machine should be. You take the kite model, which is knowledge, influenced, target engagement, and you lay over a concept of the way information flows. So to develop a lead machine, you have to have a source and create a target list. Once you have the target list, you start to reach out to them to become known, liked, and trusted. The idea here is to manage the platforms that exist and maximize your reach so you can impact those that you'd like to sell to. Just as you're going on a selling journey, they're going on a buying journey. So the way that we say it is every business is uniquely similar. What that means is every business markets, every business sells, and every business delivers the product or service that they offer. Once you look at it this way, it changes the dynamic of sales forever. Following a lineation from people that don't know you as you transition them into knowing you or becoming aware of your product offering, your value proposition, you derive leads from that. The better qualified these leads are, the better opportunity management you'll have. So your close ratio would go up. Ultimately, this framework acts as the foundation to everything we do at Rethink Revenue. Your business is different because every product or service affects the world in a different way. But overall, 0-point selling drives results because you start with those people that are like your current customers and you project benefits on them that your current customers enjoy. This is 0-point selling by Rethink Revenue. I'm Mark Perrone with Rethink Revenue, where we discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done today.